Good morning. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Good morning. We're trying to set up the Menti quiz. Therefore, it took us 1 or 2 minutes extra. Good morning. How are you doing, everybody? Are you fine? Hello, everybody. So, welcome to another super cool, super awesome, and absolutely amazing class on the light reaction. This is lecture 4 of photosynthesis, and we are going to be continuing with light reaction in today's class. Let me promise you that today's class is the most important class of photosynthesis. So good morning, so good to see you back, everybody. How are you? Are you doing good? शुरू करें आज की धमाकेदार super cool, super awesome class. Are you ready for Friday? And ready for an amazing series of you, me and we? Did you see the Biothon? Another episode of Biolingo will come. I hope you're all seeing Vaani. So much is happening. And did you see the Bio Bomb yesterday? Yes. And we are coming with mnemonics. We are coming with NCERT. Right? So कल से जो क्लास होगी यहाँ पे NCERT लिखा होगा because everything will be done from NCERT. Right? Allergy देख लिया आप लोगों ने. It's very, very, very important. So tomorrow we are going to focus line by line on NCERT. You cannot be missing. कल की क्लास से चेंज हो जाएगा. We are going to go by every line so that you can do all assertion reasons and all MCQs on NCERT. Yes? Thank you, go with on public demand because we've got so many messages for NCERT. You remember how we used to do NCERT before? So I want to like, share and subscribe today. You remember अगर आज मुझे 100 से ज़्यादा comments NCERT वाले मिलते हैं, so I'm going to change everything back to NCERT. You remember how we used to do NCERT? So we are going to come back to a lot of NCERT. Done? Done, everybody? And do you see the heart there? You see the heart? So please click on the heart there to like, share and subscribe to our amazing channel. Welcome, Alingon. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की amazing class, but in the comment section I want NCERT mess written there. Okay? So let's start with part 2 of light reaction. This we've done yesterday in detail, all of this we've done. So I just want to focus on the light now. Electromagnetic spectrum, the light and the light reaction. So that is what today's class is all about. Pin drop silence in my class now. Karina, Aminur and Alingon are the class monitors. You know, I saw Aminur in my live class. The live class of Vedantu, Aminur was there. So we have Aminur, Alingon and Khushi as the class monitors, right? Pungolo also can be the class monitor today. So 4 class monitors in today's class. Let's start today's class. You want to start with Menti? Okay. So I'm going to start with one Menti quiz and then come to electromagnetic spectrum. Only one Menti quiz in the beginning. Menti baad mein hoga. Baki Menti class khatam hone ke baad. Okay, so you can all go to Menti. Menti Senti when right, so www.menti.com. Aminur, Khushi, Alingon and one more class monitor is there. Kunzolo. Come on. So did you all go yesterday to our community page and did you see Sonam's photograph? Did you? How many of you raise your hands? How many of you went to the community page and saw Sonam's photograph? Come on. Did you see Sonam's photograph? Thank you, Govind. Yes. So we go to www.menti.com and join the quiz using the code 721088. Yes, everybody. 721088. It was awesome. Yes, Alingon, just go see it. You've commented also on the photograph, I think. Come on, everybody. I'm waiting for 10 seconds for everybody to join. I'm just waiting for 10 seconds for everybody to join. Chaliye, jaldi. Oh, okay. Chaliye. So you just have to open another window, go to menti.com and use the code 721088. So let's start the quiz. Come on. NADP, we know this, I've done it. That's why you have to see all classes. कल ये detail में discuss हुआ है. Good morning Nazneen. Come on everybody. Come on. 120 of you have answered. Come on everybody. Less than 20 seconds remaining. Think logically. You could be confused between two answers. Less than 10 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1, and the correct answer is time is up. Ooh, you've got confused, which I wanted. देखो बेटा, फोटो सिस्टम 1 कभी भी अपने आप अकेले में ऐसे काम नहीं करता है. Yes, खुशी, I will put sir. ऐसे कभी भी अपने आप अकेले में काम नहीं करता है. Is it clear? It is non-cyclic. जब फोटो सिस्टम 2 से फोटो सिस्टम 1 पे जाके जब Z चेन आखिर में बनाएगा, इट इज नॉन साइक्लिक. अकेले फोटो सिस्टम 1 नहीं बना सकता है. ऑब्वियसली फोटो सिस्टम 1 से ऊपर जा रहा है, पर वो अकेले नहीं बना सकता. ये आपके कंफ्यूजन को दूर करने के लिए था. कम ऑन. Is it clear? Right? So it was only there to avoid your confusion. You cannot work only with photosystem 1 in isolation. You need the electrons to go from PS2 to PS1. Is that clear? Yes? कितने लोगों का गलत? You cannot work only with that in isolation. Okay? It's a very good question. No? Crystal clear? Yes, chalo. So let me see the leaderboard. देखते हैं leaderboard. Come on. Very good. Very good. So we have Sonam. She's reclaimed the seat back. We have Sonam, Neha, Vani Ma'am fan, Yash. Wow. Tejinder, Abhishek, Nirali, good boy, Kishan, best. And Priya Shalesha. So sweet of Yash. Is it Yash Rajpurohit? Yes? Oh yes. See, मैंने बिना देखे बता दिया. It is Yash Rajpurohit. Yash, see, मुझे आपका पूरा नाम याद है. तो you are my fan and I am your fan. How sweet is that? Thank you so much. So amazing. So अब क्या करते हैं? अब थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. Done? थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. Welcome Yash. थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं और फिर we will come back. वाओ धीरेन्द्र, मुझे बहुत मैसेजेस आते हैं कि आप लोग स्कूल से भी देख रहे हो. दैट रियली फिल्स मी विद अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. थैंक यू सो मच. राइट? यस. तो एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं, फिर एक और मेंटी. चलो थोड़ा सा पढ़ा देती हूं मैं आपको. 1 सेकेंड. ओके चलिए. सो आइए इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक स्पेक्ट्रम पे, इस पे बहुत क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. ओपन योर कॉपीज. आई वांट एवरीबडी इन द क्लास टू ओपन योर कॉपीज. इट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ओपन योर कॉपीज प्लीज and make notes for everything. Okay, very nice Mohammed. So what is the electromagnetic spectrum? See, this is the entire spectrum of the light. This is also given in your NCERT. This is very 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 important. Next 10 minutes I want pin drop silence in the class. Absolutely no disturbance, and everybody should sit and study in the class. So you have gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, infrared rays, microwaves and radio waves. इनमें से कोई भी रे फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं कर सकती. None of the rays, Khushi, good, cannot do photosynthesis. Only this very small spectrum is there. This very 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 small spectrum, this can do photosynthesis. This is referred to as the visible light. Very small part which can do photosynthesis, which is called the visible light. So if MCQs come, UV rays, X-rays, can they do photosynthesis? No. Only a small spectrum called visible ray. It starts from 380 nanometers of light, finishes at 750 nanometers of light. This is called the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, also known as VBiotonic. So from the shorter wavelength to the longer wavelength, such a beautiful diagram. The shorter the wavelength, the higher the energy. The longer the wavelength, the lower the energy. This blue light and this red light has maximum ability to do photosynthesis. The green light is reflected back. That is why the plants appear green in color. Point number 1, the electromagnetic spectrum is the entire range of electromagnetic energy और रेडिएशन. विजिबल लाइट जो है इसके छोटा सा पार्ट है जो हम देख पाते हैं, और ये जो विजिबल लाइट है, दिस विजिबल लाइट, दिस रिलीजेस एनर्जी एज पैकेट्स. द विजिबल लाइट रिलीजेस द एनर्जी एज packets. What are those packets of energy called? It's very important from MCQ. Those packets of energy are referred to as the photons. Is this clear? Get well soon, Nazneen. Right, so this is clear. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, now photosynthesis. Yes, this we've done. Okay, let's move. Absorption spectrum versus action spectrum. This I will explain to you in very simple words, right? Now see, again and again I tell you, should come on the class on time. आपको पता है रोज 10 बजे क्लास लगती है. You have to come to the class on time. Right everybody? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. What is absorption spectrum and what is action spectrum? Absorption क्या होता है? कितनी लाइट प्लांट ने एब्जॉर्ब करी है. How much of it has been absorbed is the absorption spectrum. And absorption spectrum is a graph plotting pigments light absorption versus wavelength. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो तो कैन यू सी, डिड आई टेल यू दैट क्लोरोफिल ए इज द मेन पिगमेंट? याद है आपको? क्लोरोफिल ए इज द मेन पिगमेंट. सो कैन यू सी दैट यहां पे मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन हो रही है. लुक एट द पीक्स देयर, लुक एट द पीक्स. आई डू इट अगेन. आप सिर्फ पीक्स देखिए तो आपको लग रहा है इधर मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन हो रही है, एक इधर और एक मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन इधर हो रही है. सो लाइक आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू, मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन ब्लू लाइट और रेड लाइट पे हो रही है. यहां पे इट इज क्लोज टू ब्लू एंड यहां पे इट इज क्लोज टू रेड. सो यहीं पे मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन हो रही है. नाउ इफ यू लुक केयरफुली, जहां जहां पर मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्प्शन है, यहां पे ब्लू था, यहां पे रेड था. तो जहां जहां पर एब्जॉर्प्शन इज मोर, वेयर देयर इज मोर एब्जॉर्प्शन. देखो बेटा, लाइट करती क्या है? इट्स वेरी सिंपल. एक ब्लैंक पेज चाहिए तो ब्लैंक पेज ले लेते हैं, ये रहा. राइट, लाइट करती क्या है? द मोमेंट लाइट फॉल्स, लाइट आती कैसे है? लाइट कम्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दीज फोटॉन्स. तो जैसे ही लाइट फॉल करती है, ये फोटॉन्स आते हैं और लाइट फॉल करती है. द मोमेंट दैट हैपन्स, यू शुड रियलाइज, वो जैसे ही होता है, अगर ये पिगमेंट है तो कोई भी पिगमेंट होगा, PS2 PS1, आई वांट टू मेक इट वेरी सिंपल. यस एग्जैक्टली खुशी. तो इस पिगमेंट पे ये लाइट जैसे ही फॉल करेगी, यहां पे ये फोटोलाइसिस करवा देगी, ये पानी को ब्रेक कर देगी. व्हाट विल इट डू? इट विल ब्रेक द वाटर, फोटोलाइसिस. और जैसे ही वो पानी को ब्रेक करेगी, बाहर क्या निकल कर आएगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो जितना एब्जॉर्ब होगा, हाउ मच विल बी एब्जॉर्ब, जितना लाइट एब्जॉर्ब होगा उतना ज्यादा फोटोलाइसिस होगा. जितना आई एम एब्जॉर्बिंग, दैट मच आई विल ब्रेक द वाटर. यस आकाश देवनाथ, how much I am absorbing, that much I am going to break the water. So that much electron will be emitted and electron will go and make ATP, that is the action. So can the absorption be directly proportional to action? Can the absorption be directly proportional to action? Yes or no? Come on, this sign on my screen. So how much I am absorbing, that much only I will be able to do action. Yes, that is exactly what is being said here. That is exactly जो यहाँ कहा जा रहा है. देखिए, that जितना absorption, if you are doing maximum absorption here, you will have maximum action here, maximum absorption here and maximum action here. Is that clear? Is that clear? Absorption is directly proportional to action. This is what this graph is saying. Photosynthesis is also a redox reaction. You remember the Menti quiz we did 2 days ago? You remember the Menti quiz we did 2 days ago? याद आया Menti quiz जो हमने 2 दिन पहले किया है? Yes or no? You remember the Menti quiz that we've done? Yes. So वहां पे मैंने आपको पूछा था ऑक्सीडेटिव रिडक्शन और आप लोगों ने गलती कर दी थी. So photosynthesis is a redox reaction. Are you adding the H to the carbon dioxide? क्या आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में are you adding H? Very good, खुशी. So is this called reduction? Oxidation as well as reduction. So whenever there is both oxidation as well as reduction taking place, we call it redox reaction. Right? So light energy is trapped by chlorophyll molecules, which boosts electrons to a higher energy level. Light energy is converted to chemical energy, and chemical energy is stored in the bonds of C6H12O6. इसके अंदर क्या stored है? What is stored inside C6H12O6? Chemical energy. Any doubts? Yes? Definitely करवा दिया जाएगा देवेंद्र. Is it clear? So now let's come to the types of reaction. अब हमने क्या देखना है बेटा? देखो. We have to do 2 things in today's class. Very, very, very important, right? 2 things we have to do. First thing that we have to do is how to trap the light energy. Energy is in the sun. Where is the energy? Where is the energy? The energy is in the sun. So how to trap that energy and make ATP and NADPH out of it? Is it clear? The energy of the sun needs to be trapped and we need to make it ATP and NADPH. Use this ATP and NADPH to convert it into C6H12O6. तो जो reaction thylakoid यहाँ पे on this thylakoid membrane pigment होते हैं, pigment light को trap करते हैं. So thylakoid membrane में जो reaction होगा where the water will be split, oxygen will be released, and along with that you will produce ATP and NADPH is light reaction. ATP और NADPH को use करके when you move in the form of a cycle and produce C6H12O6, when you produce this, it is called the Kelvin cycle or the dark reaction. Any doubts? So this I am going to explain in detail. इसको किस में explain किया जाएगा? Detail में. Sunlight के energy से ATP, NADPH बनाना, when I use the energy of the sunlight and I make ATP and NADPH, that is a light reaction. Using ATP and NADPH, when I make C6H12O6 using enzymes, this reaction I do in the stroma, it is called as dark reaction. So using detail, we will do the details now. Done? So are you ready to do the details of the light and the dark reaction? We have C3, C4 CAM cycles here. Should we do the details? Yes, करें detail में? Okay, Gurjeet Kaur. Done? So एक काम करते हैं. इससे पहले can I do one more Menti? One more Menti? Should we do one more Menti? So that the josh of the class is back. Right? So light reaction and dark reaction start किया जाएगा. We are going to start from here. Photosystem organization of the light and dark reaction. But before this, let's do a Menti quiz. So all of you who are new, just go to www.menti.com. All of you go to www.menti.com and use the code 721088. Yes? Use the code 721088. Done? Okay, Akash. Chaliye. So this is the new quiz on your screens now. PS1. Very, very easy. Come on. Come on. 20 सेकेंड से कम टाइम बचा है एवरीबडी। Yes, you have to answer here. Just have 3, 2, 1 and the time is up. So pigment system 1, good, good. This is the power of coming every day to the class and doing it well. Dekho beta, that day also I told you PS1. So 1 you have to use only one digit, that is 7. So it will be 700. PS2 means you have to use 2 digits. You have to use 2 digits. That is 6 and 8. So it will become 680. Is it clear? PS2 में याद रखना 2 डिजिट्स यूज करनी है तो 6 और 8 होगा। PS1 में एक ही डिजिट यूज करनी है तो 7 होगा। So it's a very small hack to use it. PS2 and PS1. Is that clear? सही है? Right, let's look at the leaderboard. 107 of you have done well. Really nice. I think Sonam has been able to maintain her numero uno position even today. Sonam Katiyar, Tejinder Saini, Kishan, good boy, Priya, Vani Ma'am fan, Yash, Nirali, Neha, Nancy and Saloni. Good. Kishan is the fastest but overall score is highest for Sonam. Shitanshu, don't be late. आप लोग late क्यों आ रहे हो? Why are so many of you coming late? Did you get confused with the time? Did you all get confused with the time? We have to come at 10 o'clock every day. Is it clear? Should we do one more Menti quiz? One more Menti quiz? Yes? Chaliye. Very good, Yash. Yes? Chaliye. Oh, what happened? Wait. So one more Menti quiz and then we'll come there. Chalo. Next quiz on your screens now. Chalo. Light reaction से क्या बनता है? We have just done it 10 seconds ago. Come on. Time is up. You're getting less time. Very few people were able to answer, I think. Yes. Results of light reaction has to be both the above. Option 3 होना चाहिए था, both the above. Right? So it's a small goof up. Don't worry. Don't worry. Option 3 होना चाहिए था, both the above. Right? Is that clear? Option 3 होना चाहिए था, both the above. तो आंसर both the above होता. आपको पता है लाइट रिएक्शन में ATP भी बनता है और NADPH भी बनता है. Done? Yes, लाइट रिएक्शन में both the above होना चाहिए था. ऑप्शन उसमें we get all are wrong. तो एक और कर ले, one more Menti quiz. Yes, एक बार लीडर बोर्ड देख लेते हैं. आई थिंक इसमें इसकी वजह से तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा होगा. Yes, प्रिया के नाम पे ऐसा क्यों हो गया? चलो one more Menti quiz. ये रहा. Yes, that I think उसमें कंप्यूटर का ग्लिच हो गया था. चलो. That was a little glitch there. कंप्यूटर का ग्लिच हो गया था. चलो. Come on, 20 seconds. इसलिए टाइम भी बड़ी जल्दी खत्म हो गया था. Come on. Yes. I want 100% correct answer on this. Very good. So we have 144 very good correct answers. दोनों के दोनों बनते हैं. That is both ATP and NADPH. सिर्फ साइक्लिक में ATP बनता है, नॉन साइक्लिक में दोनों बनते हैं. So now let us see. प्रिया, आपके नाम के आगे ऐसा कट क्यों आ गया है? अभी गुड बॉय के नाम के आगे आ गया है. So सोनम, Priya has gone up. Kishan, Tejinder, good boy, Neha, Nirali, Saloni. Where are you? Yash, Nancy and Uttam. Good. Very good. तो एक काम करें, नहीं सेशन 10 o'clock चेंज हो गया था बच्चों. सेशन रोज 10 o'clock होगा. यस, तो प्लीज आप लोग कम्युनिटी पेज पे आया करिए और कम्युनिटी पेज को देखा करिए. राइट? इज इट शितांशु? ओके. रोज कम्युनिटी पेज पे आकर यू हैव टू सी द कम्युनिटी पेज. यस, समझ में आया सबको? It could be dihydrogen or hydrogen, both of them. Is it clear? Okay, Akash. Okay. Don't worry. नहीं 10 o'clock था, बाद में चेंज हो गया था. Done? And मैं कल से I am going to start with the special modules where I am going to teach you कैसे टाइम बढ़ाना है पढ़ाई का, कैसे टाइम टेबल बनाना है. All of that I am going to start very soon. So don't worry. तो आज की क्लास जल्दी से आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं and let's look at the photosystem organization. Right? Pin drop silence everybody. Let's look at the photosystem organization. Done? Done? नहीं टाइम के लिए प्लीज nobody should get confused. I told you community page follow करना है. If there's any change in the time you will be told about it. Is that clear? If there's any change in the time you will all be told about it. Please follow the community page. Don't be late for any of the classes. Okay? And if you have any problem you want to get in touch with me, just put it on the comment section. Right everybody? So should we start photosystem organization? All of this will be done Nazneen. Okay? See 10:30 hote number of students are increasing. So don't make this mistake. Please stay in touch with the community page. Okay? Don't make this mistake. Stay in touch with the community page. Yes. Okay? चलिए. So now photosystems. देखो बेटा. Now pin drop silence. Okay? We are going to be focusing on something which is very important. So please no talking and full focus. So this is your chloroplast, which is a bimembrane structure. Okay, and can you see this grana thylakoid? Can you see the grana thylakoid? Can you all see the grana thylakoid? And on the grana thylakoid you have these pigments. Let me use a blue color to show the pigment to you, or a green color. You can see the pigments. You can see this. You can see the pigments. So these are the pigments. These are the pigments which will absorb sunlight. I've told it so many times already. Unnati. So the main pigment is called the reaction center. Main pigment. It is a chlorophyll A molecule. The main pigment is chlorophyll A molecule. It is 680 or 700 nanometers of light it will absorb. या 680 या 700 nanometer of light को absorb करेगा. It is a reaction center. It is the main one. अगर मैं PS2 की बात करूं तो it will be 680. अगर मैं PS1 की बात करूं तो it will be 700. All of these small ones are called the accessory pigment molecules. All of them absorb the light and give it to the main pigment. They absorb the light and they all give it to the main pigment. Main pigment photolysis करवाएगा. What will the main pigment do? Main pigment करवाएगा photolysis. और आसपास के पिगमेंट क्या करवाएंगे? आसपास के पिगमेंट क्या करवाएंगे? उसको एनर्जी देंगे. So photolysis के बाद it is going to take the electron up. और ऊपर कौन बैठा होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. Is it clear? So this let us do in more detail. Look at this. Can you see this everybody? Can you see this everybody? So ये आपका फोटो सिस्टम है. It is going to absorb the light. Light is traveling in packets called photons. Light आ रहा है travel करके in packets called photons. It's going to get absorbed. It is at a lower energy level. Absorb the energy of the light, go to higher energy level. Then when it is at higher level, excited, it is unstable. Yes everybody, whenever anything is at a higher energy level, it is unstable. Is that clear? Click a snapshot. This is not Yes, did you understand? Whenever it is at a higher energy level, it is unstable. Energy ज़्यादा है और stability कम है. So it wants to come down at the lower energy level. Right? I have explained this so many times. This is very important. कितनी बार मैं इसको समझा चुकी हूँ. Please pay attention. Please come to the class on time. Please revise and come. Is that clear? So light absorb हुई. All the light goes to the primary reaction center, which is either 680 or 700 nanometers of light. It is absorbed by this, it goes to the higher energy level, it is unstable, ऊपर जाके वो अनस्टेबल है. सो यहाँ पे 680 होना चाहिए. रिएक्शन सेंटर MCQ है, विच आई ऑलवेज मार्क. फोटोन के फॉर्म में ट्रैवल करता है, इट इज MCQ. गोज टू टॉप, हियर इज द फेराडॉक्सिन रिएक्शन सेंटर. ये है आपका प्राइमरी इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्टर. इट विल एक्सेप्ट बट इट इज अनस्टेबल. इट विल कम बैक टू द लोअर एनर्जी लेवल. व्हेन इट कम्स बैक, these are electron acceptors. इनकी वजह से वो मूव करता है. I will teach you all the electron acceptors. So जब वो मूव करेगा, बीच में जो एनर्जी बाहर निकलेगी, the extra energy is used to make ATP. समझ में आया? Let's do this in more detail with the help of this diagram, right? So let me first show you a video. Are you ready to see a video? मैं हर चीज के लिए आपको एक वीडियो दिखाती हूं. तो पहले मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाती हूं फोटो सिस्टम्स का, और एक बार वीडियो दिखाने के बाद आई विल शो यू द वीडियो. एक बार वीडियो दिखाने के बाद एक बार यस आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. डन एवरीबॉडी? डन? चलो. अच्छा ये देखो, ये मेम्ब्रेन है बेटा, ये मेम्ब्रेन है, ये फोटो सिस्टम है. ये देखो, ये फोटो सिस्टम है. ठीक है, तो एक बार देखते वीडियो, में समझाती हूं आपको, फिर रुको. एक सेकेंड, शोइंग यू द वीडियो. 1 सेकेंड. Okay, so this is a plant cell. We are looking at the chloroplast of the plant cell, right? Can you see the chloroplast is the bimembrane structure of a plant cell? We are looking at the thylakoid within the chloroplast. Outside the thylakoid is the stroma. In the thylakoid, I'm making it big. So the pigments are in the thylakoid. Can you see the light has fallen on the pigments? And the pigments release electron. And the electron is being released and the water is being split. See? When it releases electron, I want to stop it here. I just want to stop it here. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. See, such a beautiful video. Just wait. Today we will understand this entire thing in detail. Wait, the video is playing. We will just stop it at that point. Right? So see, at this point, we have stopped it. What is this? Is this the pigment? Full attention. Is this the pigment? Can you see the pigments on top? Can you all see the pigments on top? So is this a photosystem? Is this a photosystem? Green colored pin drop silence. जिसको भी समझ में नहीं आया है, मैं सब कुछ यहाँ, जिसको भी, come on, show me the chat. Stop the chat and concentrate here. Yes. Is this the pigment? Yeah. Now this pigment that we are talking about, या तो ये 680 नैनोमीटर की लाइट ले ले, या ये 700 नैनोमीटर की लाइट ले ले. लाइट पड़ेगी, मैं अभी दिखाऊंगी. लाइट विल फॉल डाउन, आई विल शो यू. या तो 680 नैनोमीटर की लाइट ले ले या 700 नैनोमीटर की लाइट ले ले. If it has taken light of 680 nanometers, Swapnil, what will I call it? If it takes light of 680 nanometers, I call it photosystem 2. Good, Avin. If it takes light of 700 nanometers, अगर ये 700 nanometer की light ले ले, what will it be called? PS1. Is it clear? Is it clear? So let us see now. It will take the light. देखते हैं अभी. It will take the light. See, light आई. Light is traveling in the form of photon. Can you see light is traveling? अब जैसे ही light आई, light ने क्या किया? Did the light release an electron? The moment the light falls on the photosystem, did it release an electron? Did it release an electron? And is the electron going to plastoquinone? What is plastoquinone? Electron carrier. What is plasma? Now it will carry the electron. बेटा आप ये सोचो, just pin drop silence, very very important. अगर ये हर बार इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीज करता जा रहा है, it is releasing electron, releasing electron, releasing electron. It is just releasing electron. क्या इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाएंगे? क्या यहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाएंगे? खुद ही बताओ. If it continues to release electron, if it continues to release electron, will the electrons be less? इसके पास कोई अनलिमिटेड सप्लाई तो है नहीं. एक बार रिलीज किया, फिर फोटोन आया, फिर रिलीज किया, फिर फोटोन आया, फिर रिलीज किया, सो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल बी लेस. सो डज इट रिक्वायर अ कांस्टेंट सप्लाई ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? डज इट रिक्वायर अ कांस्टेंट सप्लाई ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? Yes, this is how you will understand the difference between PS2 and PS1. Very good, Priya. ये PS2 है because we will see the water split here. Now look here and tell me, PS1 cannot break water. PS1 cannot break water. So PS1 के पास आगे चल के इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी होगी या नहीं होगी बताओ? PS1 पानी नहीं तोड़ सकता, तो क्या PS1 के पास आगे चल के पानी की कमी होगी? PS1 cannot break water. PS2 can, right? So this is PS2. Let's look at this now. See, we are breaking water. PS2, see, what is this? PS2. What is PS2 doing? It is breaking water. So, can you see the electron is going there? अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ऊपर क्यों जा रहा है बताओ? Why did this electron go up? Why did this electron go up? It went up because exactly. Yes, why did it go up? It went up क्योंकि ये निकल गया था तो इसको सप्लाई करना है. So now, and you see the H is, can you see the H? Can you see H here? What will this H do? This H will reduce carbon dioxide. This H will reduce carbon dioxide and you will produce C6H12O6. Is that clear? And now when this electron is moving from high energy to low energy, what will it produce? What will it produce? It will produce ATP. Let's look at that. Yes? So see, the electron is moving now. So electron moves from plastoquinone to plastocyanin. Plastoquinone, first one. Let's look at it in detail. पहला कौन सा है? What is Q? Plastoquinone. Then it will go to plastocyanin. Then it will go to cytochrome B6F. Can you see this B6F complex? B6F. Can you all see the P6F? Yes. Correct. और B6F पे ATP बनेगा. We are going to see that on B6F it's going to produce ATP. Let's look at that. Right? So see, it has pumped the H plus inside. बाहर से एक H plus अंदर दे दिया. Right? And जब H plus अंदर दिया, proton pump move करेगा और ATP बनेगा. Let's look at that in more detail. चलो. So let's see that. See, there's so many H's inside. Yes. And finally, can you see H? Just stop for 1 second here. Let's see. Can you see अंदर H ज़्यादा है? Just tell me one thing. Can you see अंदर H बहुत ज़्यादा है? Can you all see? Come on. Can you see अंदर H है? इससे भी H निकलेंगे. यहाँ से H अंदर आ रहा है. Can you see there are so many H's inside? यहाँ से 4 H निकले थे. यहां पे H अंदर आ गया बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी की वजह. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एटीपी सिंथेटेज. इतना अच्छा फोटोसिंथेसिस कहीं समझाया नहीं है. मैं भी ऑनलाइन वीडियोस देखती हूं. राइट. सो ये एटीपी सिंथेटेज एंजाइम है. इट कैन पंप द H आउटसाइड. व्हाट विल इट डू? It will pump the H outside. So when I pump the H outside, right, when I pump the H outside, DP and IP is coming. Can you see DP, IP? See? And what do you do by joining the DP and IP? What do you do by joining the DP and IP? You make ATP. Let's look at that. What do? You make ATP. Yes, but if you like this, you have to like, share and subscribe our channel, बच्चों. We need, yes, see? And electron का क्या होगा? Electron will go from plastoquinone to plastocyanin to ferredoxin. This is what is happening to the electron. See? Now here also one more, Redoxin is going to take it. Again high energy to low energy, NADPH. Is it clear? Z chain. Last में this was PS2, this is PS1, this is PS1. यहाँ पे photolysis of water देखा आपने? Did you see photolysis of water here? Yes or no? किसी ने यहाँ पे photolysis of water देखा? यहाँ पानी आया? There is photolysis of water here. Did you see photolysis of water here? It is the same electron. It is the same electron. See Z. See? And it is going to produce NADPH. So in non-cyclic, did you break water? Yes. Did you produce ATP? Yes. Did you produce NADH? Yes. This is non-cyclic Z chain phosphorylation. Is it clear? Photolysis happens only in, see, PS2, not in PS1. Understood? Understood? See? Absolutely clear. B6F is a electron carrier. See, so beautiful. Look at this final chart. Is it clear? Please, if you understood this, I really want you to like, share, subscribe. Please share, please tell your friends. We really want to cross 1 lakh subscribers by Diwali. Will you gift me on Diwali a silver play button, please? Yes? We really want a silver play button. Arnan pe main aungi. Will you please like, share and subscribe to our amazing channel? Right, so this is non-cyclic because it's not coming back. In the next class, I am going to start with cyclic photophosphor respirations video. Is that clear? So in the next class, I am going to start the same class with cyclic. Please, आपने कल 10 बजे आना है. Times 10 बजे का है, 10 बजे का है, 10 बजे का है, 10 बजे का है. Yes? So you want to see the video again? You want to see the video again? एक बार पूरा वीडियो दोबारा देख लेते हैं. So you see, we have the chloroplast, which is a double membrane organelle, जिसमें thylakoid होता है. Thylakoid's got pigment in it. The stroma outside where the dark reaction is going to happen. Thank you, Swaraj. So this is the membrane of the thylakoid. This is photosystem 1. Photon falls, electron is released, electron is going to plastoquinone. This is a photosystem 2. You break down water, it releases protons and re-gives the electron. Right? Can you see that? The electron travels from plastoquinone. Here the H plus will come inside. The H plus will come inside. The H plus is more on the inside. Yes, it's a. Then you will finally push the H plus through the ATPase. The H plus will come and go back from the ATPase, thereby generating ATP. So you're going to generate see so many H's inside. You will generate ATP through the help of the enzyme ATP synthetase. Thank you, Abhay. Then finally, see, ATP is generated. The electron is never coming back. The electron is never coming back. Finally, you have photosystem 1. Light is following, but no photolysis of water is taking place. It's going to Redoxin, and from Redoxin, it is producing NADPH. So you have ATP and NADPH along with photolysis of water. Uphill is when the electron travels up, downhill when it comes from the high energy to low energy. Redoxin is an electron carrier. It is carrying electron from here to here. Crystal clear? Is it clear, everybody? ये सारे electron acceptors हैं. Redoxin, cytochrome B6F, plastoquinone, plastocyanin. With this beautiful video, I think everything will be crystal clear. Tomorrow for cyclic, again, I'm going to show you a very, very similar video. See, for cyclic also, I'm going to show you an amazing video. And in the end, I will summarize it. Can you see the summary? Can you see the beautiful summary? I will summarize everything. Is that clear? Done? तो कल की क्लास में आइएगा. क्विज आज हमने कर लिए. So see you in tomorrow's class. Bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. There's a heart there. Please click on it. Please, we have to cross 1 million by Diwali. We want the silver play button, and for that we really need you. Yes. Bye kids. See you in the next class. And there's a Friday coming soon. Don't go anywhere. 11:30 I'm going to see you sharp. 11:30 मिलेंगे हम Biotech के साथ. 11:30 don't miss amazing session on Biotech in the next 40 minutes. Bye bye. Don't go anywhere. See you at 11:30. Bye.